How to log out Gmail account in laptop or computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log out Gmail account in laptop or computer. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Gmail in your laptop and make sure to log into your account. And if you're already logged in, and now in order to log out, what you have to do is navigate to your profile icon from the top right section right here. Click on it. And from this drop down or from this pop-up box in your interface, scroll down and there is a sign out option. All you have to do is click on it. Now you are signed out of your Gmail account. If you want to remove any account from here, click on remove an account and then choose an account that you want to remove and confirm to remove the account. Once done, click on done. So that's how you can sign out of Gmail in your laptop or computer, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.